In this video, we're going to talk about posting your events to the Healing Arts Alliance website. People can find your events on the main menu under Events. They can click directly on Events and go to a listing of all events, or they could search by different category here. And then also a little further down on the home page, we have a section for the most recent events that have been added. So how do you add your own events? We're going to go to our listing here in the top by clicking on our profile at the top and then go to Edit Listing. And under the Add Content section, you can click on Event to immediately jump into adding a new event. Or on the left menu, you can click on Events to see a listing of all of your events. And here we have one that's expired in the past, so it's no longer showing up on the front of the website. But we could click on Actions here, and we could either edit it and change the date. We can make a clone if we wanted to use it as a template for another event. We could delete it from our list, or we could see what it would, like a preview of what it would look like on the front. But we're going to add a new event, so we're going to click up here in the top right, Add a New Event. And you'll see this page looks very similar to the posting a community article. You can leave the event unpublished if you're still working on it as a draft. Maybe you're not finished. You want to come back and do some editing, so you can basically turn it on and off with these options. Here on the right, you can add a photo, which I highly recommend. It makes your event stand out and look unique on the event list. Here on the left, the title is, of course, required, so the name of your event. Here's where you can select the category of event. You can also do some basic repeating every day, every week type events. You can set a start and end time. You set the start date. This is helpful for people trying to find events by date. So setting a start date here, and once you click into this field, it'll automatically fill in today's date, but it'll give you a pop-up calendar that you can click on a different, the actual start date to enter there. And then same thing with the end date. If there's a cost to your event, you can type in the cost here. If it's free, you can just type in free, and that'll show up on the front. Really helps it stand out as well. If you're taking registrations for your event, or if you have a page on your website or somewhere that you're using as the main promotion for your event, you can put that link in here in the external web link, but that's optional. If you're doing the event in person and you actually have a physical location the event will be at, you can name the location here, and then you can enter the address here. This smart tags is just like with the community articles. They're basically keywords. They're words that people may use that in their search that may be relevant to the event that you're listing here. So give some thought to what people may search for that relate to your event, and you can put some in here. And then the description is the rich text editor again, so you can really make your description look good and format it the way you want to. If you are taking registrations or RSVPs for your event, I would recommend including that link in the description as well, just to make sure people see it. And then when you're ready to post your event, just click Save Changes here at the bottom. Of course, make sure the Publish setting at the top is set to Yes if you're ready for it to be visible on the website. So that is how you post your event on the Healing Arts Alliance website, and look forward to seeing your events.